We've all seen the clean girl aesthetic go around on social media. From a perfect self-care routine to the most natural makeup look to cute minimalistic outfits and a healthy lifestyle. She has it all. I know we all aspire to be like her, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can embody the clean girl aesthetic and how you can use it to glow from the inside and out. Step 1 of becoming a clean girl is having a morning routine that sets you up for success during the day. This means waking up at around the same time every morning, ideally between 5 and 8, because this gives you an early start to the day and will allow you to have more time to get stuff done and be productive during the day. Having a morning routine also helps you to set the tone for the day ahead, which allows you to control your schedule rather than your schedule controlling you. When you start each day intentional, you can better focus on what is in front of you, where to prioritize your time, and ultimately increase your productivity. Having a moment during your day that is fully dedicated to yourself is so important for your mental health, and that is why I will keep preaching about having a morning routine. Step 2 of embodying the clean girl aesthetic is having a fitness routine. This can look different for everyone, and all movement is good movement. Whether that's going to the gym, going on runs, doing Pilates, playing sports, or going on a hot girl walk. On a walk in Bal, and I listened to the wellness cafe on my way to get some matcha and to get some work done. Okay, here I was doing some work, and then I had this weird but funny interaction with the person sitting next to me.
Can I take that?
Yes, of course. Oh, that's okay.
Thank you. Oh, you can speak English? Yeah, I just want that straight.
Sorry?
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
That's okay. I just wanted an ashtray. I couldn't find any of them.
Oh. Okay.
But I'm not disturbing you.
No, it's okay. Being a clean girl means taking care of your body through healthy nutrition. I personally think that my diet is one of my biggest priorities because how you eat has such a big impact on how you feel and look. I try to focus on having a whole food diet that is anti-inflammatory and hormone balancing. Taking care of your gut health through food is also very important. My favorite probiotic foods are kombucha, goat kefir, and things like kimchi and sauerkraut. And other things that are staples in my diet are turmeric for the anti-inflammatory properties, nuts and seeds for the healthy fats, and eating lots of protein, veggies, and complex carbs. I'm going to make lunch right now. It's literally 2:30 already. I'm starting to get really hungry. I saw this TikTok and the recipe is called the Ultimate Skin Food Glow Salad.
The most delicious salad.
That's what I'm going to make right now. I have all the ingredients. I just went shopping, grocery shopping. I also want you to know that you don't need to have a clean diet to be a clean girl. Your relationship to food is what matters most. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow this makeup routine from Daisy Louisa. She went viral on TikTok because of her makeup look.
For today's video, I'm doing my updated clean girl makeup routine.
I'm by no means a makeup expert, as you can probably tell, but some key points that I noticed in the clean girl makeup look is that it gives a very natural and glowy look, which some people might call the no makeup look. Some other things that she mentioned in the tutorial is to focus your blush and bronzer only on the top of your cheekbones to get that lifted look, and use a nude colored lip liner. After hours and hours of debating and questioning which hairstyle I should do and would look best on me, I eventually chose for probably the easiest one, which is the half up half down with a white claw clip. What do we think? Like, I feel like this aesthetic is all about simple and easy and just effortless, you know? You just put your hair in a clip and it's done. I'm going to show you what it looks like from the back. Okay, so now we're moving on to outfits. I made a Pinterest board with clean girl aesthetic inspired outfits. So I'm going to show you what's in that. And then I'm going to show you some outfits that I made from pieces out of my closet. This is what the Pinterest board looks like. As you can tell, there are a lot of white and neutral colors, as well as a lot of basics like white t-shirts and tank tops, neutral colored long sleeves, and a pair of white linen pants. Of course, this board is just for inspiration, so please keep wearing whatever you fancy. Here are some outfits that I created from pieces that I wear on a daily basis. And as I said, there are a lot of basics involved, so you can easily mix and match your tops and bottoms to create a huge variety of cute and minimalistic outfits. Okay, fun fact about Leave It. I'm obsessed with the Anastasia sweatpants from Brandy. I have them literally in 3 colors. And if there's one item that I would recommend out of all of these, it would be these pants. The accessories that in my opinion scream clean girl are white claw clips, gold earrings, necklaces and rings, AirPod Maxes or other types of white headphones, and not to forget neutral colored handbags. These are the rings that I'm wearing. My earrings are just little hoops. Now look, I am not the girl that owns 20 different types of perfume, but I can tell with certainty that these 2 perfumes are enough to make you smell like the most delicious woman on the street. Now, as we all know, a clean girl makes time for and prioritizes her self-care routine. Doing self-care on a regular basis is so important because it allows you to fill up your own cup and in turn be able to fill up others. Another aspect of self-care is having a maintenance routine. Being high maintenance simply means keeping up with certain self-care habits in order to look put together without having to put a lot of extra effort into it. Ladies and gentlemen, I present my full high maintenance to be low maintenance routine. Okay girlies, let's talk about having a maintenance routine. I have a list here on my laptop and I'm just going to explain all the things I do to stay high maintenance. First we have skincare and face. So these are the products I use during the day. The CeraVe cleanser, CeraVe moisturizer, and Beauty of Joseon. It's really good for acne prone skin. For BHA I use the Paula's Choice BHA liquid exfoliant. Then if you have any dry spots on your skin, I highly recommend using Vaseline. I always have really crusty eyelids, so I always use Vaseline when I go to bed and in the morning. I also use it on my lips. Talking about lips, I also use the Kazoo lip oil. I also use a face mask a few times a week. I love to do eye patches or hydrating face masks. Nothing too harsh like the charcoal ones. I also pluck my eyebrows every 2 weeks or so. And in the morning I love to use my gua sha and do like an ice roller. Then moving on to hair care. I love to do a hair oil every day. These are the 2 products I use for my hair. The Kazoo hair oil. The Chi, this is really underrated. I don't think a lot of people know about this, but this is a silk infusion. You can't really see it, but it's so silky smooth. I also use a scalp massager like before I wash my hair. It's also very important to use a heat protectant before styling your hair and getting a trim every month or so. Then moving on to oral care. Use an electric toothbrush. Floss every day because gum disease is actually very bad for you. Worse than you think. I recently started doing oil pulling. You use a tablespoon of coconut oil and you put it in your mouth and swoosh it for 15 minutes or so, and then it removes all types of bacteria in your mouth. Then detox. This one I haven't really heard people talk about. Sweat every day or at least regularly. Having a healthy bowel movement. Eating a high fiber diet promotes healthy bowel movements. Herbal teas are really great for liver health. Milk thistle. Dandelion tea is also really great. Lymphatic drainage. I use a dry brush and of course water. I have my water bottle here. And then we move on to body care, and I will start with the external stuff. Using oil to moisturize your body. I love using this lavender oil. Shave your legs once or twice a week or so. I do my arms once a month. I love to exfoliate my body before shaving because it makes your skin like baby soft. Using Vaseline on your elbows, knees and ankles. I love to do that because mine are really dry. I love to do my nails. This is also a great product from Vaseline. It's for healthy hands and stronger nails. Take care of your feet. Take this, just follow your feet. And now moving on to internal, which is really important but also really basic. Having a whole food diet. And I personally focus on an anti-inflammatory diet and a hormone balancing diet. 7 to 8 hours of sleep, movement every day for at least an hour. I personally get blood work done every 3 to 4 months. And supplements. These are the supplements that I take. And now let's move on to my everything shower routine. Start off my everything shower routine with exfoliation by dry brushing my body and using a body scrub. After exfoliation, I move on to shaving, followed by washing my body. Then I wash my hair using a scalp massager to get all the shampoo into my hair and scalp. After that, I follow up with a conditioner and I leave it in for about 5 minutes. After I've done my skincare, I use a body lotion to moisturize my body and to get that baby soft and smooth skin. We all know that a clean girl has good hygiene, and this includes sleep hygiene as well. Sleep hygiene means having an evening routine that helps you to sleep well on a regular basis. It's well known that limiting blue light exposure 1 to 2 hours before bed is crucial for good sleep, even though this is easier said than done. Other things that personally help me sleep better are drinking chamomile tea, taking a magnesium L-threonate supplement, putting lavender oil on my body, and having a mindfulness practice such as yoga or meditation. I also make sure to dim the lights throughout the apartment whenever it starts to get dark outside. All of these habits will prepare you for a good night's sleep. I always like to get inspired by what habits help others make them feel their best. And if you can relate, then I highly recommend checking out my Instagram and TikTok, where I share a lot of content on having a healthy lifestyle and embodying the most radiant and glowing version of yourself. I hope that this video inspires you to embody this version of yourself and to romanticize the process of becoming your best self. I will see you in my next video. Love you!